Hi everyone, today I'm making a sticky honey chili chicken. Lots of you were looking for this recipe, so I'm delighted to be able to make it for you today. The other two options I gave you was an Irish style chicken curry and chicken and black bean, and I will make those two over the next 2 weeks as well. So to get started, in here I've got 500 grams of chicken. I've chopped it up into chunks. I'm using chicken thighs, you can use chicken breast either. So into here I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of corn flour, a tablespoon of light soy sauce, a teaspoon of dark, a teaspoon of sesame oil, half a teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of sugar, a tablespoon of garlic puree, or you can use 3 chopped garlic cloves either. And my last ingredient is half a teaspoon of baking soda. Lots of Chinese restaurants use this. It helps tenderize the chicken. It's called velveteen. So get that in there too. So I'm going to mix all this together. So we're going to leave this to sit for about 15 minutes. If you want to marinate this overnight, you can do that. But I would add the corn flour and the baking soda just before you plan on frying it. Alright, I'm ready to fry my chicken now. I've heated 3 tablespoons of oil, it's nice and hot. You can fry your chicken in batches if you want, or put it all in, depending on the size of your pan. I'm going to fry this for 5 to 6 minutes until it's nice and golden in colour. My chicken's lovely and golden now, so I'm going to remove it from the pan. And set the chicken to one side for a minute. Add in a sliced pepper, a red pepper, and a sliced onion. Thinly slice them. We're going to cook these now for about 4 minutes. My onions and peppers are ready. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of fresh ginger and 1 garlic clove chopped up. We're going to cook this for about a minute. Great. Into here I'm going to add in 5 tablespoons of honey, 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce, a teaspoon and a half of tomato ketchup, and a few chili flakes, half a teaspoon to a teaspoon. Mix all this together. I'm going to add a little corn flour, water and corn flour, just to thicken up the sauce a little. Okay, in goes the chicken. Yum. Mix all together. I'm going to let this cook now for about 4 to 5 minutes. And here we have it, all done. Doesn't look really nice and glossy from all that honey and chili. So I'm just going to drizzle over a little bit of lime juice, mix it in, and add some spring onion. You could add some chopped up chilies too if you want. Time to serve some up. I've got some basmati rice here. I did a separate video on how to get the perfect basmati rice. I'll put a link to it in the comments below, so check that one out. So let's get some of this gorgeous sticky honey chili chicken on top. You could make some more sauce if you would like extra sauce. So let's try it. Oh wow, that is my favourite fakeaway so far. It's absolutely beautiful. The sweet chili, the honey, and the extra chili flakes is in there is really good. It's not too hot or anything, it's just perfect. So good as well when you serve it up, doesn't it? And there you have it everyone, my sticky honey chili chicken. Absolutely gorgeous. You'll find the full recipe below. Happy baking everyone, and enjoy. See you soon.